Hi, I'm Gary Marcus, Chief Operations Officer for the Champlain Valley School District. Today we're going to do a short video that covers our operations and maintenance functions. We'll talk about information technology, facilities, transportation, nutrition services, and human resources and finance. I hope you find this informative. Here we go. So our nutrition services program is made up of roughly 40 full and part-time employees and is funded in a separate fund from the general fund. So these folks, they're very hardworking. They provide very nutritious, well-balanced meals, and they serve roughly 50,000 meals a month. They're an integral part of our operation, and they provide the nutrition that allows our students to excel and to do their best work. CVSD's Information Technology Department serves around 4,000 students and 1,000 employees, all of which who have a personal device, and at least one personal device. So the small staff of around 10 employees maintains all the hardware, all the servers, software, enterprise software, to really enable all the information technology platforms that the school needs to operate. Along with that, in conjunction with our Director of Digital Learning, they actually do a lot of work behind the scenes for cybersecurity, to keep our platform safe, and to have all the learning software available for our students and our teaching staff. So I'm here underneath CVU to talk about operations and maintenance. So our operations and maintenance department employs about 40 folks, and their job is to take care of everything in our facilities and our grounds, our parking lots. They do a tremendous job. They keep our buildings in outstanding condition, focusing on future energy efficiency initiatives, keeping our buildings running at their most efficient at all times, and keeping our buildings clean and safe for our students. CVSD's Transportation Department is made up of 52 employees and 60 buses. Kind of unique to most school districts, we own our fleet of buses in the Champlain Valley School District, and we have a life cycle replacement plan that uses financing to replace 2 or 3 buses every year as they get to their maximum effective life, which is between 12 and 15 years depending on the bus. So we have 3 maintenance folks that take care of not only these 60 buses, but the other smaller vehicles we have in the district, and our 50 or so drivers. They transport the majority of our kids to and from school and to every co-curricular activity throughout the whole year. They do a great job, and they're such an important part of a quality education and provide access to education for thousands of students. Finally, the CVSD Human Resource and Finance Department is a group that's 12 strong, but they do an enormous amount of work. They handle all the payroll and benefits for almost 1,000 employees. They process every purchase, and they take care of hiring and staffing our entire school district. We appreciate them. They do a great amount of work, and they do a fine job supporting our students and our staff. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. For more information, please check out the CVSD website.